If you're able to deconstruct any insecurity of yours, you realize that it actually stems from the fact that you know someone who is better at it, or looks better, sounds better, blah, 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 from you, and you feel short, because insecurities are always from inferiority complex. And I know this because I have been a product of my insecurities for all my life almost. And because I was also into personal development so much, I really worked on myself to remove my insecurities. I improved my game, my speaking, my grooming, blah, blah, blah. And sure enough, results came, more attention came, more rewards came, but so did the anxiety, the pressure. And honestly, it wasn't that much fun. And it's only very recently when I started observing that people actually fall for our energy, not our textbook strategies or our looks or our words. I became liberated. And that liberation is unbelievable. You start doing what is true to you. You start speaking like you do, you start thinking like you do, you become more confident, and sure enough, it's so much more fun. There's no anxiety and pressure with it, and you actually get a lot more attention, which was the inferiority complex in the first place anyways. So my friends, think like you do, speak like you do, be mad, be spontaneous, and most importantly, be natural. This will liberate you, and insecurities will have absolutely no room to breathe in you.